गुड इवनिंग टू एवरीवन। आई होप कि आप अपने एग्ज़ाम की तैयारी बहुत ही डेडिकेशन से कर रहे होंगे। और सभी बच्चे जिनका एग्ज़ाम है दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट पीए का, वो अपनी जो स्पीड है उसको थोड़ा सा इम्प्रूव कर रहे होंगे 100 अबव, क्योंकि आप फ्लक्चुएशन का ध्यान रखते हुए 100 से अबव अपनी प्रैक्टिस करें। और आज जो हम डिक्टेशन लिखने वाले हैं वो भी 100 अबव रहेगी। और इसके लिए इसकी कोई अगर आउटलाइन आपको कोई डाउट हो तो आप स्टेनो सक्सेस मंत्रा के चैनल में जाके पूछ सकते हैं। सो बी रेडी फॉर द डिक्टेशन। Start. The present civil appeal, which has been heard over video conferencing, is directed against the order dated 5 May 2009, passed by a division bench of the High Court of Bombay in writ petition number 1001 oblique 2001, whereby appellant's plea for quashing disciplinary proceedings and setting aside a dismissal order on charges of corruption and extra constitutional conduct while employed as a paramilitary officer was rejected. The appellant joined the Central Industrial Security Force in January 1995 as a sub inspector. After completing requisite training in Hyderabad, he was allocated to Mumbai office of the Western Zone and posted at the local unit of Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited in March 1996. Although he was initially deputed to perform shift duty, but since July 1997 he was deployed in the crime and intelligence wing, as evidenced by an office order dated 8 May 1998. The appellant was specifically entrusted with conducting surprise searches of personnel and taking strict action against anyone indulging in corruption. On 28 February 1999, at around 6 p.m., Constable Ram Avatar Sharma was commuting in a CISF bus near the BPCL compound when Inspector Hira Lal Chaudhary noticed a large bundle of high denomination notes in Sharma's pocket. Suspicious, Chaudhary got the bus turned back towards the BPCL compound and forcibly made Sharma deboard near the north gate. Amidst witnesses, Chaudhary searched Sharma's person, during which a total sum of rupees 10,780 in the form of 100 notes of rupees 100 and the rest in smaller denominations was recovered. No explanation for the large sum of unaccounted cash was forthcoming from Sharma except for a plea for mercy, post which the amount was seized and the incident recorded in the general diary kept at the north gate of the BPCL compound. Later, it was found that a conflicting GD entry had been made at the main gate of the BPCL compound a little earlier at around 6:05 p.m., noting how an amount of rupees 9,000 had been handed over by dog handler Constable K. Sharma on behalf of another official as personal loan to Sharma. It was discovered over the course of investigation that this entry was false and had been registered at the instance of the present appellant, who made numerous phone calls between 6:30 and 7 p.m. to ASI Surjan Singh, who was stationed at the main gate and was in charge of the other GD register. The following morning, K.K. Sharma, who was projected to have delivered the cash to Sharma, was pressurized by the plant to falsely support his alternate loan theory by deposing that he indeed had delivered the impounded sum of money. An FIR was thus registered by the respondent authorities with the regional anti-corruption branch of the Central Bureau of Investigation on 6 March 1999 under various provisions of the Indian Penal Code 1860 and the Prevention of Corruption Act 1988. Simultaneously, an inquiry under Rule 34 of CISF Rules 1969 with Assistant Commandant P.B. Patil as the inquiry officer was also initiated and the appellant was placed under suspension wide order dated 31 May 1999. The charge sheet contained three charges against the appellant. First, gross misconduct and indiscipline by virtue of ordering of a false GD entry. चलिए आप इसको लिखिएगा। कोई डाउट आता है आपको आउटलाइन में तो आप स्टेनो सक्सेस मंत्रा के चैनल पे जाके टेलीग्राम चैनल पे आप पूछ सकते हैं। सो विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट।